Hey everyone, Edit All Your Cars. Today we've got this Mini Cooper SD 2014 64 registered. Automatic model, 56,000 miles, finished in British Racing Green, a proper colour combination for a Mini with the white pack. So you've got the white stripes, roof, mirrors and wheels, all factory fitted, totally original, massive spec, drives without fault. You will not find a nicer Mini than this at the moment on the market. It's got the LED headlights, the 18-inch cone spoke wheels, finished in the white, all in very nice condition. As I've already mentioned, it's got the white roof, mirrors, etc. A proper looking car, and it is mint. Absolutely mint. Got the JCW spoiler, again, all factory fitted. Front and rear parking sensors. It's got the Media XL pack, chili pack, head-up display, Harman Kardon. Honestly, fully loaded. It's got full service history. It will come with a new MOT, warranty, all of our usual prep. It's got a full set of Pirelli tyres on it, which are all really good. This is how, in my opinion anyway, a Mini should look. It's gorgeous. Let's show you inside. I'll show you the boot real quick. Small boot on the Minis, obviously, but they do have split fold rear seats. This one is all very clean and tidy, with no nasty smells or anything like that. We have got the floor mats as well. And a little bit of extra storage underneath the boot floor as well for you there. But yeah, luggage cover or parcel shelf, etc., all present and correct. Inside the car, it's got the satellite grey lounge leather. Again, an upgrade. Works well with the colour combo, in my opinion. Has got the grey piping, and the seats are immaculate. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I don't know why, but on the videos, they always look a bit dirty, but I can assure you they are not. Your rear seats there as well with your ISOFIX. Got a JCW steering wheel, again factory fitted. With paddle shift, multifunction and cruise control. Got the green mood lighting, which of course you can change. It's got the ambient light pack. Let's start the car up. You'll see there are no warning lights or any nasties. Just wait for the fuel light to go off. And there you have it, 56,251 miles. The little orange exclamation mark is just for the fuel, don't worry about that. We've got the head-up display, as you can see there, and your Media XL pack with your DAB radio. Obviously your media pack, hence the name. Comes with Bluetooth audio, auxiliary and USB. Navigation with your maps, of course your Bluetooth telephone. I'll just try and show you the service history. Vehicle status, service requirements. You can see that there are no service requirements, it is all good, but there's your service history. Stacks of history, last done at 55,874, so less than 1,000 miles ago. 48, 40, 31, 26, 12 and 6. So a real nice service history there for you. Parking sensors front and rear. Sorry, only on the rear, my mistake. But yeah, you don't really need them on front. Harman Kardon audio, as you'll see there. Big pan roof. And yeah, probably loads of other bits and bobs I've missed. Oh, heated seats as well. There you go. Properly sorted Mini. As I say, it is immaculate. Give us a call, get involved. 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Finance is available. And just before we end the video, I'll remind you that this is Euro 6, so it is ULEZ compliant. You can drive this in London. And £20 a year road tax. Nice little perk to owning one of these. Thanks for watching.